Hello everybody, welcome to the Rockin' Crystals channel. My name is AJ and I am on the road sourcing crystals for the Rockin' Crystals shop. I am going to throw this video over to my buddy Jay, just Jay, no A, to teach you all about crystals today.
Hey there, Jay here. Communicating with your crystals by using a pendulum. Communicating with your crystals is easy to do. You just have to practice and make them a part of your daily life. One of the easiest ways to listen to your crystals is by working with a crystal pendulum. This technique helps to support your intuition. If you feel like your crystal is trying to talk to you, ask your pendulum if it is. Yes or no. Popular crystal pendulums can include those made from amethyst, clear quartz and rose quartz. A pendulum is easy to carry with you and is simply a piece of crystal suspended on a chain or some string. To work with a crystal pendulum, hold the crystal pendulum's chain in your dominant hand and ask the crystal pendulum straightforward questions that have either a yes or a no answer. You want to make sure that the question is not worded as an open-ended question. Rather, you want to be sure and phrase the question as a yes or no question. You might ask the crystal pendulum, "Are my car keys in the living room?" You can use the crystal pendulum to help you locate your car keys or whatever it is that you have lost. You might be surprised at how well they work. To determine which direction is yes and which is no, start by holding the crystal pendulum in your hand and asking it a simple question that has a yes answer. The crystal pendulum will move. Then ask the crystal pendulum the opposite question, and the pendulum should move in the opposite direction. From this, you will have determined which movement is yes and which is no. The crystal pendulum will move in two different directions, back and forth, left and right, or in a circular clockwise or counterclockwise direction. The movements of the crystal pendulum will mean either yes or no. Once you have identified your yes or no responses and the direction they go, you are ready to use your crystal pendulum. Using a crystal pendulum gives you the support and a tool to hone in on what is that you are trying to do or achieve. Since crystals hold different light frequencies, they can draw in different energies depending on the crystal that you use in your crystal pendulum. An example is an amethyst pendulum, which is great for enhancing intuitive and psychic abilities. When you are getting your answers from the crystal pendulum, it's not the crystal pendulum that holds the answers. A crystal pendulum is a tool and support that allows you to tap into your higher self, which already holds the answers to your questions. Crystal pendulums are spiritual energy tools, and they respond to how they are treated. If you are serious, the crystal pendulum will give you the correct answers. You want to be mindful of the questions that you ask. If you use the crystal pendulum as a game or ask the same question over and over again, it may respond in an insincere way.
You can win a crystal by leaving a comment and letting us know what you love about crystals. Also be subscribed to this channel. We give away a new crystal with every video upload. If you're looking to buy crystals, we have some amazing deals available at our crystal shop. Link in the description below. Grab yourself a free copy of the Crystal Compendium, which has over 250 crystal definitions. Link in the description below. Join our crystal affiliate program if you'd like to make money selling crystals. We pay a 22% commission for referred sales. Enroll in our crystal healing course. Link in the description below, along with a link to our affiliate program, and check out the Crystal Meanings app in both the App Store and Google Play Store for crystal meanings and definitions at your fingertips. It's absolutely free, pun intended. And of course, be subscribed to this channel because we learn something about crystals every single day. And who doesn't love learning about crystals? Okay, have a great day.